So this was a fun call, and this was a noise coming from the microwave. This was a dedicated hood fan, so it vents directly outside. And whoever installed it never installed it properly, meaning it never had a flapper. So when the fan is not working, it's basically open to the outside. And the result, we had a little lizard, poor little lizard. He crawled in or fell in while the microwave was operating, and he got jammed between the blades of the fan and got stuck. So every time they would use the microwave, you would hear the noise literally vibrating. I should have actually get a sound. And it was just crazy. So finally they called and we went out, and this is what I found. It was kind of tricky getting him out, but we got him, as you can see. I had to use my phone. I did not have my scope, so I was using my phone and looking at my the screen half to be able to see, because it was totally all the way in. And we grabbed it. Never know what you're gonna find. Poor little guy. I was being careful not to drop him also. Alright guys, thanks. Like and subscribe. There he is, Mr. Lizard. Thank you.